Hi, my name is Xavier Lujano, and I work for Choate. I'm on the HVAC install department. I started 8 years ago from the bottom, being a helper on the install department for a couple months. We do replace units, either heater units, AC units, A coils, but we also try to help people. We try to do it right, and we try to make sure they're gonna be happy. We treat customers' houses like it's their own house. Basically, I think I know everybody from Choate. Like, since the install department, duct cleaner, service techs, plumbing department, the people in the office, managers, supervisors. They make you feel like they really care about you, and they do. And I love it. That's all I can say. I love working for Choate. That's why I'm here. I've been here for 8 years, so it's a great place to work, and it's a great place to be.